Hello, science teacher. I think you guys are having a trouble in teaching science these days because of this pandemic. Since science as a practical subject, yes, the more things you'll be doing in the lab. But these days, because of the pandemic, yes, you are teaching from your home. And yes, physically, the lab is not available, right? Because students are somewhere sitting at their home and you are sitting at your home. And yes, definitely, it's quite difficult for science teachers to do the practical works. But no worry, guys, I'm here to help you. Maybe the students are feeling very much difficulties in learning science because they are not doing practically the work, and as a result, yes, they cannot much more focused or interested in science work. But still, no worries, guys. I have an idea, I have ways out for that. We can even work in the virtual lab. Yes, there are the virtual labs as well. Yes, and by the help of those virtual labs, we can do the practicals like same that in our physical classroom, and that will help the teaching learning process. So in today's topic, I will be talking here about the electricity. By this uh, by this we can explain all the practical works or all the practical things that you can do in electricity in this virtual lab. So today we'll be talking about open and closed circuits, and we'll be talking about the combinations of cells. And in combinations of cells also, there are three different types: the parallel combinations of cell, second one is series combinations of cell, and third one is the mixed combination of cells. So guys, watch this video till the end. I'll explain each and everything step by step and make your teaching and learning work more easier. Let's dive into the today's topic. But guys, before diving to the today's topic, if you guys have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. Now let's start our lesson. You can see in my screen over there is a wire, battery, light, resistor, switch. On the left hand side, yes, there are lots of things: paper clip, pencils, even hand, dog, and many other things, right? You can just get it from this. You just scroll up and down, and on the right hand side you can see there are voltmeter, ammeters, and many other things, right? So let's start with the open and closed circuit, the basic things that the middle school students need these things. So for this, guys, what you need to do is you need what are the apparatus that you require, or what are the materials that you require. You need to know about it. For electricity, definitely you need the battery, you need wire, you need bulb, and you need switch, right? The basic components of an electrical circuit. Okay, so for this, let's take one battery. Yes, put your cursor in the battery and drag it over here in the blue area. Okay, that's great. After that, you need a wire, and the same way, just put your cursor in the wire and just drag and keep it where you want, like how I'm doing, right? Yes, it's nice to play with all these things. It's really interesting. I love to play with all these things, and even I work with my students in the same way. And yes, my students, they really enjoyed the virtual lab, and yes, that makes the things quite easier. You know how to connect it, right? Just connect. There's a battery and you use the connecting wires. You need the bulb and you need the switch as well. Again, I need the next wire, and I want to close this circuit. Okay, now switch is still, it's off. Now let it on. Yes, now your switch is on. That means your circuit is closed, right? In case of the closed circuit, you can see there's a movement of electrons and the bulb is also glowing. So in closed circuit, yes, there will be the electricity, right? That means the electricity or the moments of electrons will flow, and as a result the bulb will glow and you can exactly see the same thing. Let's again touch in the switch. When you touch in that switch, then your switch is open or it's off. Now in this case you can see no flow of electrons and no bulb is glowing anymore. So now your students, even the teachers, can give a very clear concept of open and closed circuit, and students, you can also make your own circuit diagrams by the help of this virtual lab, right? So guys, no need to worry, I will give you the link down in the description below and you can just click in that link and you can just make your own things yourself, right? So I think you little bit understand about the open and closed circuit, right? Now let's go with the different combinations of cells. As I already told you, the first one is the parallel combination, second is series, and third one is mixed. Let's go for making a parallel. For that, okay, let's go for use the 2 battery. Okay, I think you know how to connect in. Okay, if you want to shorten it, it's up to you. Okay, fine, I want to shorten that one, that's fine. Again, I need a next wire. Wow, yeah, it's very nice to play with all these things. Definitely guys, you'll also love these things. You can see that I have completed one parallel combination over there, and the similar way, I think you guys know now how to construct or how to make your circuit diagram, right? So in the parallel, this this is the parallel diagram. Similarly, I'll go for constructing the series one. Let's take a battery over here again. Okay, next battery as well. Now you can even see that I have constructed a series combination as well. You can see I have kept the two cells in a series combination, and you can see now the differences between the parallel and series combination of cells. In case of the parallel, you can see the brightness of the bulb, and you can just compare with that within the series. In case of the series, the brightness is very high, right? The bulb is growing very brighter than in series than in the parallel combination. So the next thing is, even you can see the movement of the electrons. You can see the movement of electrons is relatively slow in parallel combination than in compared to series one. So what you can make a conclusion over here is, because the energy is much more used in the series combination, that means the battery will not last longer in case of the series combinations of the cell. But in case of the parallel combination, you can see that energy is not that much used in compared to the series combination, so definitely the battery will last longer. So let's go with the mixed circuit again. I think guys, you all know now how to construct your electrical circuit, right? You just what you need, the things, just you put the cursor over there and just drag and just keep these things over in this blue area. Okay, let's go for the mixed one now. You can see that I have completed the mixed one also. I know that you guys also know how to do all these things now, definitely. And now you can compare the difference. Why we need the mixed one is, yes, if you need the more energy as well as the long lasting, then definitely you will choose the mixed option. The series as well as the parallel combination is mixed. So in today's video, we learn about the open and closed circuit as well as the different combinations of the cells. And guys, still there are something is still left. If you want to change this into a symbol, then you can see there is a symbol of the cell. Just when you click in the symbol of the cells, now yes, you can get everything, the symbol of the bulb, symbol of the shells. So this how you can do. Even you can see there is a values over here. When you click in the values, yes, even you can get the value in this way. So even for the higher classes also, even you can choose the other number of things over here, hand, dog, coin, pencils. Even you can do the other experiment like conductor, or yes, it's insulator or a conductor, yes, you can use all those things. You can use a pencils, hand, dog, all these things, whether they are the conductor or they are the insulator. Not only that, you can even go for measuring the current and the voltage by the help of ammeter and the voltmeter. So this is how you can do your practical works in your virtual lab. So although because of the pandemic, even the science teacher and all the students, they are not getting chance to do a practical work in their science lab, but still, no need to worry. This can help you to do your all the practical works staying at home as well. So thank you everyone. I hope this video is useful for you guys. And one more thing guys, for the link, just check down in the comment box below, sorry, in the description box below over there, or I'll just give the link for this and you can make your own stops. And yes, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest video. Thank you everyone, see you in next video. Bye bye all.